Hold your head up till you can hold it up on your own. Carry you till you can stand on your own. Hold your hand till you can cross on your own. I send you out to get something from the store, and I let you explore the world. I know you want more, still I pray you'll make it back in one piece. It's a cold, cold world. Now you're beginning to see. Now there's no crime, no fists, no angry mob. It's the mother with a prayer trying to get the job done. We fight this fight, not for the gold. Our greatest reward is the sons who have a place. For is all the sons who have a place for the throne. I will keep you safe till you can shelter your own. Walk you through till you can man up on your own. And I'll build a fort till you can build on your own. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Girl with a problem decided to stand, and the years have gone by. Now she wrestles with a man. He becomes an issue on every news report as he struggles with the system that first tried to abort him. No crime, no fist, no angry mob. Just the mother with a prayer trying to get the job done. We fight this fight, not for the gold. The greatest reward is our sons to have a place. For they're all the sons to have a place for the Lord. Oh, and I pray God above, watch over the sun. And I pray God above, take care of our son.